Romance and Violetta will show us a Rumba gold level choreography with teaching count. And 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite angle. And 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And now let's look at same Rumba choreography, but this time in slow motion. We take left to right hand hold and start with preparation walk and 4, 1. We continue with open hip twist. Man leads lady into fan position. From fan position we dance 3 Alemanas. First Alemana is like normal Alemana. Lady uses delayed forward walk on straight knee. Ending is with check, and then second Alemana is different one. And third Alemana is like usual Alemana. We end in closed position and dance continuous hip twist. We end hip twist with spiral action into rope spinning. Lady dances forward walks around man, man dances cucarachas, and we finish in closed position. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. Left to right hand hold, preparation step. Open hip twist. Man leads lady to fan position. From fan position we dance 3 Alemanas. Notice delayed walk here for lady. Then check and turn and swivel in other direction. And third Aleman again with delayed walk. We end in closed position and continue with continuous hip twist. We finish continuous hip twist with spiral action into rope spinning. Lady dances forward walks, man dances cucarachas. And we finish in closed position.
Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.